Bought this Land Rover Discovery for just $7,000. A ride that once sold for $160,000 brand new. Then we spent another $10,000 bringing it back to life, turning it into something that looks and feels straight off the showroom floor. From the body to the chassis to the engine, every part was rebuilt to meet new car standards, even using high-end electrophoretic restoration tech. It took us a full month to witness its transformation, proving you don't need a fortune to chase your off-road dream.
Demolition of vehicle clues. The interior is demolished and the exterior is decomposed next. Let the master row to separate the car shell and chassis. Separation of the car shell. Further construction before the car shell is asphalt removal in the car. Divided into engine and chassis. Disassembly chassis. Car shell cleaning husband and wife treatment. The girders are also cleaned. Perform electrophoresis after the girder is planed and stripped of paint. Detailed treatment of the car shell. Online electrophoresis. Blow out the water in the car shell and then heat the paint. Let's see what happens after Next, the whole vehicle is painted. Deal with frame scars first. Basse. Next, do a good job of masking and spraying chassis armor. All parts enter the 7 anti-spray paint. The customer chose Fuji White from the original Land Rover factory. Paint out of the oven. The appropriate amount of spray we spray on the appearance part. The interior was painted matte. Sand and polish the cover. Install body overlay keys. Install the door lock and wait for the key and blood to disappear. The whole part is done. Start tossing the engine and disassemble it all first. Discovered the official practice section. The engine is decomposed. The customer has just replaced the gearbox cord, so only the appearance is refurbished. Ultrasonic cleaning of engine parts. Grinding valves. Adjustable valve. Key. Replace the rubber sleeve of the whole car with a new one. Marvel transmission. The chassis keys are also cleaned with peace of mind. Let's see the effect after renovation. Officially enter the assembly process. Start with the chassis. Start assembling the engine. Sticker paper, genuine. Installation clue. Pull back the interior. The car can be installed nearby. Prepare to connect the Dalian Drak rotary cabin accessories. Add oil and water. Engine ignition test. Rebuild interior. Appearance, key, installation. Replace with new front bars and rear view mirrors. The project is coming to an end. Let's take a look at the overall refurbishment.